It's a great moment, it's a great opportunity to South America and Caribbean to development our tourists. And the open office in Rio de Janeiro in December now, it will permit that our get a new opportunity to talk about tourism, to make a propose about tourism, to make the education, the excellence, search for excellence in education about tourism. And I think that Argentina, Paraguay, Venezuela, Chile, Brazil, El Salvador, Peru, Cuba, República Dominicana, everything in America, South America and Caribbean will have a new moment with this office in Rio de Janeiro. We will talk about the ecotourism sustainable. You know ecotourism? Ecotourism sustainable. We talk about the new programs about village, about beach. We have beautiful beaches in Brazil, in South America, in Caribbean, and we know that European and Asian need to know the forest, river, and our beaches. It's very important to promotion, and the office will help us to go there. We work hard. We work hard these days to approve this agreed here and to sign the agreed here in this General Assembly and General Assembly. And we continue to work hard to open this office in 15 December 2023.